Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 22nd, 2018, and I have one of my, hold on a minute here, let me see which one this one is. One of my San Francisco begonia seedlings here. And I've always said not to let your plants touch the light bulbs because it could burn them. And this one here, I will show you what the leaves look like if they accidentally do touch the light. It's actually going to burn it, and it burnt this leaf right here. I had checked on them earlier the one day and they were fine, and between the morning when I checked on them and when I went back down in the afternoon, the leaf touched the light bulb and it actually burnt it. So this here growth here is no good. So we're actually going to take this off here. And you can see here it crispied it. So we definitely don't want our plant leaves to touch the light bulb. That's a shame. I'm not too happy that that happened. I wish that it wouldn't have, but sometimes that happens. So I have rearranged some things and moved some things around. It hit this leaf over here too. This leaf went into the light. And they grow so quickly. Now that they're bigger, they're growing so quickly that, you know, they might be okay in the morning when you check on them. And they're kind of close to the light, but yet they're not touching it. So just move them so that they don't burn the leaf, because this leaf won't recover from this. So I might actually have to take them off or cut it back to good growth, because it's just going to keep eating into the leaf, it looks like. So I just wanted to give you an update video on that and let you see what happens. And it happens even on the onion seedlings. It's like they'll just grow so quickly and they won't be into the light, and the next thing you know they're touching the light and it just burns the tips of them. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.